Ladies, namaste, welcome. One question I get all over the globe every day on social media is, how can I regulate my cycle? I don't know when my last period was. I really want to regulate my cycle so I know my fertility window so I may conceive. This is a really important question, and it's really close to my heart because whether it's in India, where I ran a free clinic, or in the US, women all over the world have the same question. And women of any age and every age have this question. So I want to give you a really simple solution that you can do just with using the tools in your cabinet. Before I get started, just a few housekeeping things. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button as well, so that I may help more women get to the place that they may be to have and be empowered with regulating their cycle. So what is this tea that I'm recommending that you do daily till you get 3 consistent cycles? Well, it is turmeric. Now let me share with you a little story. When I ran the free clinic outside of Hyderabad, India, most women had almost 2 teaspoons of turmeric in their diet daily. Now, why is turmeric so helpful in regulating a cycle? Well, according to Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric is very warming, and so that warming agent helps to regulate the flow and helps to shed the lining of the uterus so that you have a period. So if you're struggling anywhere in the world and you do not have a regular cycle, then I want you to consider putting anywhere from a 1/4 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of turmeric into a tea. And it could be just plain water, or it can be with soy milk. Now, soy is also very good because soy has a high amount of estrogen, and the estrogen helps promote the lining, the shedding of the lining of the uterus, which is your period. Now, I want you to drink this tea every day. Now, if you can't drink it every day, then do your best to drink it every other day, and do so till you have 3 regular cycles. And of course, stop when you're pregnant. Now, just a little education. When you are regulating your cycle, a lot of women have a couple of days range within their cycle. So if one cycle's 28 days and the other cycle is 31 or 32, that's still a good variance, and that's still considered normal in my eyes. So do your best to have, as best as you can, a decent range between cycles, whether it be 28, 31, or 35, as long as it's within about 5 days of the length of the previous cycle, then you should be okay until you get 3 consistent cycles. And why is this important? Well, as we're regulating our cycle, it helps to regulate the hormones in our body. And as we understand our cycle, then we can also understand the fertility window to enable us whether or not we want to conceive. So my hope in sharing this is that if you, any stage of your life, are struggling with getting a cycle or have an inconsistent cycle, please go to the Indian grocery store, and for a few bucks you can get turmeric and create a beautiful, healthy turmeric tea that you can drink anytime during the day that can help you on your fertility journey. I wish you all the best from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthy.